शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया। सपने कीमत मांगेंगे, जाग के रातें कीमत भर देना। जब नजदीक से देखें तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना। शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया
to invoke the Almighty with a devotional song.
गणनाथ गिरिजासुत करुणाळु प्रभुनि सदा पूजित। गणनाथ गिरिजासुत करुणाळु प्रभुनि सदा पूजित। वेदवन्दित आदि पूजित नाट्यलोल विनायक। वेदवन्दित आदि पूजित नाट्यलोल विनायक। नाना जीवन सूत्र विधायक, नाना जीवन सूत्र विधायक। लोक लोक परिपालक गणनाथ गिरिजासुत करुणाळु प्रभुनि सदा पूजित। गणनाथ गिरिजासुत करुणाळु प्रभुनि सदा पूजित। नाल्कु वेदगळु ಹೊಗಳಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆದಿಶೇಷನ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮುನ್ನ। ನಾಲ್ಕು ವೇದಗಳು ಹೊಗಳಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆದಿಶೇಷನ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮುನ್ನ। ನಿನ್ನ ಪದಗತಿ ಲಾಸ್ಯ ವಿನೂತನ, ನಿನ್ನ ಪದಗತಿ ಲಾಸ್ಯ
ಬೆರಗುಗೊಳಿಸಿತು ನಟೇಶನ ವೇದವಂದಿತ ಆದಿಪೂಜಿತ ನಾಟ್ಯಲೋಲ ವಿನಾಯಕ ನಾನಾ ಜೀವನ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ನಾನಾ ಜೀವನ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಲೋಕ ಲೋಕ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕ ಗಣನಾಥ ಗಣನಾಥ ಗಿರಿಜಾಸುತ ಕರುಣಾಳು ಪ್ರಭುನಿ ಸದಾ ಪೂಜಿತ ಗಣನಾಥ ಗಣನಾಥ ಗಿರಿಜಾಸುತ ಕರುಣಾಳು ಪ್ರಭುನಿ ಸದಾ ಪೂಜಿತ.
Wisdom and clarity. To mark the beginning of this ceremony, may I request all the dignitaries on the dais, along with Mr. Tarun MP and Srimati Suvarnama, parent of Gagandeep, to kindly join for lighting the lamp. I request Ms. Inshura and Ms. Monisha to assist. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly rise for a moment. Deliver the welcome address.
Good morning. As this hall fills with pride and anticipation, I extend a warm morning and a heartfelt welcome to everyone present. Today marks one of the most significant milestones in the academic journey of our BPharm students. These past 4 years have demanded discipline, clinical understanding, ethical responsibility, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Our graduates have demonstrated commendable dedication in both classroom as well as laboratory, preparing themselves for the diverse and demanding roles of the pharmacy profession that offers. On behalf of Pharmacy College, it is my honor and privilege to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Director, respected Principal, Guest of Honor, distinguished members of the management, dedicated faculty member, non-teaching staff, proud parents, and our graduating students of Bachelor of Pharmacy program. At the outset, I would like to humbly remember and honor Dr. Shamnur Shivshankarappa sir, Shri S.S. Mallikarjun sir, and Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun ma'am for their visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to the growth of our institution. Their immense contribution to continue to guide our mission strengthened our academic foundation and inspired every student and educator associated with our college. I would also like to take a moment to warmly acknowledge our Honorable Director, Dr. A.P. Basvarajappa sir. Though he could not join us today, his constant support and vision continue to inspire our institution. It is my honor to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our chief guest, Dr. L.D. Srinivas sir, Professor, Department of Pharmacology at JJM Medical College, Davangere, and a Senate member, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. We are deeply grateful to have with us today. I request Ms. Rajeshwari to present him a bouquet as a token of respect and appreciation. Thank you, Rajeshwari. I take a great pleasure in welcoming our respected principal and president of today's function, Dr. G.L. Prabhashankar sir, whose leadership and support have beautifully shaped the path of our students and staff. Welcome, sir. I request Ms. Sindhu to present him a flower as a token of respect and gratitude. Thank you, Sindhu. I also extend a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitary, Dr. J.H. Mrutyunjaya sir, guest of honor for today's function, Head, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, whose academic guidance has been a pillar of strength for our students. Welcome, sir. I request Ms. Anusha to present him a flower as token of respect and gratitude. Thank you, Anusha. I extend a heartfelt welcome to all my esteemed colleagues. Your commitment to academic excellence, unwavering dedication, and your guidance in every stage of our students, you all. I welcome all our non-teaching staffs whose support and dedicated service plays an essential role in smooth functioning of our institution. I extend my heartfelt appreciation and welcome to all the parents and family members for their constant support, encouragement, and trust in our institution. Your partnership has played a vital role in shaping the success we celebrate today. Welcome you all, dear parents. I extend a warm welcome to our graduating batch. As you step into the professional world, you carry with you not only a degree, but the responsibility of safeguarding health, ensuring medication safety, advancing scientific progress, and upholding the highest ethical standards of the pharmacy profession. Welcome to your graduation day, dear students. I extend a warm welcome to all the volunteers, media partners, light and sound assistants whose effort helps us to illuminate this event. Once again, I extend a warm and formal welcome to all the dignitaries, guests present here today. Let us together celebrate the journey that have shaped our graduates into their best selves. Welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We are honored to introduce our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Srinivas LD sir. May I now invite Srimati Anu S. ma'am to graciously introduce our chief guest.
On the dais, respected faculty members, proud parents, and dear students. I extend my sincere thanks for entrusting me with the privilege of introducing our chief guest today. It is an exceptional honor and privilege to introduce today's chief guest, an eminent academician, a distinguished researcher, a respected leader, and an inspiring teacher, Dr. Srinivas LD sir, Professor in the Department of Pharmacology, JJM Medical College, Davangere. Dr. Srinivas sir brings with him a legacy of over 2 decades of dedicated service to medical education and research. He completed his MBBS at WIMS, Bellary, followed by an MD in Pharmacology from JJM Medical College, marking the beginning of a career deeply rooted in academic excellence and institutional commitment. Sir has served the institution in the various capacities, beginning as a tutor, moving through PG tutor, assistant professor, and associate professor, and today leading the department as Professor of Pharmacology. His journey reflects dedication and consistency. He has also taken an important responsibilities outside the classroom, contributing to medical associations, academic bodies, clinical research work, and the RGHS Senate. Dr. Srinivas sir is also a prolific researcher with a numerous national and international publications in the field of hepatoprotection, migraine therapy, psychopharmacology, platelet biology, and evidence-based therapeutics. His work has been widely acknowledged for its scientific rigor and clinical relevance. Notably, he has also received ICMR approval for major research projects, reflecting his commitment to advancing public health through research. He has actively contributed to the academic community by attending and conducting various CME programs, conferences and workshops, guiding students, faculty and healthcare professionals with remarkable clarity and insights. Beyond his achievements, what truly distinguishes Dr. Srinivas sir is his integrity and deep sense of responsibility qualities that have earned him with admiration of colleagues, the respect of the medical fraternity, and the affection of countless students whom he has mentored. Today, as we celebrate the accomplishments of our graduates, it is our privilege to be inspired by a leader whose life exemplifies scholarship, service, and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, with a profound pride and deep respect, I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Srinivas LD Sir, Professor of Pharmacology, JJ Medical College, Davangere. So, we are truly honored by your presence and thank you for joining us, making this occasion in a very good manner. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the president of today's event, Dr. G.L. Prabhashankar sir, to declare the graduation ceremony for the 2021 BPharm batch as open.
This graduation ceremony of Bapuji Pharmacy College has been called for conferring the degrees upon the candidates who in the recent examinations proved worthy of the same. We hereby declare the graduation ceremony as open.
Thank you, sir. I request Dr. G.L. Prabhashankar sir to kindly declare the conferring of the degrees and thereafter invite our chief guest Dr. Srinivas LD sir to present the certificates to the candidates of Bachelor of Pharmacy.
Honorable Chief Guest, I move that 81 candidates of Bachelor of Pharmacy who are present in person and who have been certified by duly appointed examiners of the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences to be eligible for receiving the degree be admitted to the degree.
Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Shashank Naik sir to take over the dais and proceed with the distribution of certificates and requesting Ms. Diya Sweeravanshi to assist.
Respected Chief Guest, President of today's function, Guest of Honor, dear colleagues, non-teaching staffs, parents, and my dear students. It is indeed a privilege and honor for me to announce the graduating BPharm students of 2021-25 batch. I request the Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Srinivas LD Sir, to distribute the certificates to the outgoing students of BPharm. I also request Ms. Rujana, Ms. Bhavani, Ms. Mukta, Ms. Shailaja to assist. Now, I call upon the names of the graduating students to come on the dais and collect their certificates. Mr. Ranganath Jeevan.
Son of Mr. Yogesh GS and Mrs. Sunita Raiti, hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka.
Yashoda KS.
Proud daughter of Mr. K. Shivashankarappa and Mrs. Bhagirathi, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Yashoda.
Mr. Afnan Kamdor.
Proud son of Mr. Fayaz Ahmad and Mrs. Shareen Banu, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Afnan.
Mr. Ajaj Ahmad M. Radege.
Proud son of Mr. Mukhtiar Ahmad and Mrs. Asina Banu, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Ajaz.
Mrs. Anjuma Banu KH.
Proud daughter of Mr. Hunur Sahib and Mrs. Asina Banu, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Anjuma.
Mr. Kaif Khan K.
Proud son of Mr. Shafi and Mrs. Akhtar, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Kaif Khan.
Miss Sonia V. Navani.
Proud daughter of Mr. Vinay P. Navale and Mrs. Shashikala P, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sonia.
Mr. Viresh MC.
Proud son of Mr. Chidanand MS and Mrs. Prabhavati MS, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Viresh.
Miss Aditi BB.
Proud daughter of Mr. Vishu Kumar PG and Mrs. Bharati BB, hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Aditi.
Miss Afsana H.
Proud daughter of Mr. Hagar Ali HI and Mrs. Jaitun DH, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Afsana.
Miss Ankita Angadi.
Proud daughter of Mr. Shivakumar Angadi and Mrs. Mallama Angadi, hailing from Koppal, Karnataka. Congratulations, Ankita.
Miss Anusha K.
Proud daughter of Mr. Karikasamma KH and Mrs. Basamma, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Anusha.
Miss Atia.
Proud daughter of Mr. Syed Munawar and Mrs. Ruxana, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Atia.
Miss Aisha Siddiq Sheikh.
Proud daughter of Mr. Tabriz Ahmad and Mrs. Fatima Zahra, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Aisha.
Miss B.N. Tanuja.
Proud daughter of Mr. B.N. Kencha Ramesh D. and Mrs. Bhagyavati M.V. hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Bhavna.
Miss Bhavana M.
Proud daughter of Mr. Nareshwarappa E. and Mrs. Bhagyamma H. hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Bhavna.
Miss Bhavana Vagish Bella.
Proud daughter of Mr. Nagesh Millar and Mrs. Sunita Millar, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Bhavna.
Miss Bhumika P.
Proud daughter of Mr. Putswami and Mrs. Renuka P. hailing from Shimoga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Bhumika.
Miss Bhumika Suresh Gulapur.
Proud daughter of Mr. Suresh Bullapura and Mrs. Sharada Suresh Bullapura, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Bhumika.
Miss Bhumika Rani P.A.
Proud daughter of Mr. Ajay Kumar P.R. and Mrs. Netravati R. hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Bhumika.
Mr. Gagandeep N.
Proud son of Mr. T. Nagaraja and Mrs. Suvarnama S.A. hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Gagandeep.
Miss H.L. Madhura.
Proud daughter of Mr. H. Lokesh and Mrs. H. Sujata, hailing from Vijayanagara, Karnataka. Congratulations, Madhura.
Mr. Halanagoda M.G.
Proud son of Mr. Manjunath M.G. and Mrs. Rema N.M. hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Halangauda.
Miss Harshita H.P.
Proud daughter of Mr. Prabhakar H.K. and Mrs. Shakuntala H.P. hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Harshita.
Mr. Hemant Kondaji K.
Proud son of Mr. Nagraj K.P. and Mrs. Rupa K.N. hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Hemant Kondaji.
Miss Kavya Patil.
Proud daughter of Mr.
Patil and Mrs. Padmavati, hailing from Raichur, Karnataka. Congratulations, Kavya.
Miss Komal Yellappa Tirala.
Proud daughter of Mr. Yellappa D. Teradal and Mrs. Lalita Yellappa Teradal, hailing from Gadag, Karnataka. Congratulations, Komal.
Miss Lavanya R.
Proud daughter of Mr. Rajappa KV and Mrs. Prema, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Lavanya.
Miss Madhumati Dhananandranawal.
Proud daughter of Mr. Mahadevappa and Mrs. Pooja, hailing from Dharwad, Karnataka. Congratulations, Madhumati.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. G. N. Prabhushankar sir to distribute the certificates. Miss Mahalakshmi H.C.
Proud daughter of Mr. Chandrappa H.M. and Mrs. Rupa G.M., hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Mahalakshmi.
Miss Manasa.
Proud daughter of Mr. Yankan Gowda and Mrs. Kaveri, hailing from Raichur, Karnataka. Congratulations, Manasa.
Mr. Manikanta P. Garalpet.
Proud son of Mr. Pradeep Kumar Galpet and Mrs. Savita, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Manikanta.
Mr. Manoj K.B.
Proud son of Mr. Basuraj KV and Mrs. Bhavya, hailing from Shimoga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Manoj.
Mr. Manoj K.B.
Proud son of Mr. Dharmappa KH and Mrs. Savitramma, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Manoj.
Miss Maneshi.
Proud daughter of Mr. Tirthesh HR and Mrs. Madhumalati HR, hailing from Vijayanagara, Karnataka. Congratulations, Manya.
Mr. Mohammad Parvez P.
Proud son of Mr. Suman Sabri and Mrs. Farzana B, hailing from Ballari, Karnataka. Congratulations, Parvez.
Mr. Mohammad Muzamil A.
Proud son of Mr. Abdul Jabbar and Mrs. Sajina S, hailing from Kollam, Kerala. Congratulations, Muzamil.
Mr. Nandish CP.
Proud son of Mr. Prasanna CT and Mrs. Umadevi C, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Nandish.
Miss Nayana HP.
Proud daughter of Mr. Parameshwarappa and Mrs. Mahalakshmi, hailing from Tukkur, Karnataka. Congratulations, Nayana.
Mr. Nikhil Jili.
Proud son of Mr. Y. Vasanta Reddy and Mrs. B.R. Geeta, hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Nikhil.
Mr. Nitin KR.
Proud son of Mr. Revana Siddhappa NK and Mrs. Manjula KH, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Nikhil.
Miss Pallavi Ningappa Mudyananda.
Proud daughter of Mr. Ningappa and Mrs. Nagaratna, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Pallavi.
Mr. Pawan GS.
Proud son of Mr. Suresh G and Mrs. Geeta G, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Pawan.
Mr. Pawan Kumara M.
Proud son of Mr. Virupakshappa M and Mrs. Kenchamma from Ballari, Karnataka. Congratulations, Pawan.
Mr. Pradeep M.
Proud son of Mr. Manjunath B and Mrs. Rajeshwari DS from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Pradeep.
Mr. Prashant Anand Barki.
Proud son of Mr. Anand and Mrs. Lalita, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Prashant.
Mr. Prem Darshan B.
Proud son of Mr. Basaraj K and Mrs. Mangala, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Prem Darshan.
Mr. Purushottam P.
Proud son of Mr. Bhimesh Nayak and Mrs. Manjula, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Purushottam.
Mr. Raghu MS.
Proud son of Mr. Somshekhar Appayam and Mrs. Shailaja DS, hailing from Chitradurga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Raghu.
Miss Rakshita S.
Proud daughter of Mr. Mahandesh S and Mrs. Sureka S, hailing from Raichur, Karnataka. Congratulations, Rakshita.
Miss Rakshita N.
Proud daughter of Mr. Nagraj G and Mrs. Geeta N, hailing from Shimoga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Rakshita.
Mr. Ramesh G.
Proud son of Mr. Govinda Raju R and Mrs. Sujata TK, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Ramesh.
Miss Ranjita AB.
Proud daughter of Mr. Basavarajappa H.A. and Mrs. Savita H.D., hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Ranjita.
Mr. Sachin Aladakatti.
Proud son of Mr. Arvind Aladakatti and Mrs. Shivaganga, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sachin.
Miss Sahana S. Panchayana.
Proud daughter of Mr. Shivasangaya C. Panchanamat and Mrs. Annapurna S. Panchanamat, hailing from Hubballi, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sahana.
Miss Sakshi Pujita J.
Proud daughter of Mr. Venkateshwara Rao and Mrs. Nagalakshmi, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sakshi.
Mr. Samar A.B.
Proud son of Mr. Vasant T and Mrs. Vani Vasant, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Samarth.
Miss Shraddha. Yes.
Proud daughter of Mr. Shivamurthy Swami V and Mrs. Vanita, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Srishti.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. J.H. Muthuljaya, sir, to distribute the certificates. Miss Srishti B.
Proud daughter of Mr. Prabhudeva B and Mrs. Rajeshwari KU, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Srishti.
Mr. Somu Malleshappa Kachigi.
Proud son of Mr. Malleshappa and Mrs. Sangeeta, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sonu.
Miss Saundarya N.
Proud daughter of Mr. Nijlingappa GN and Mrs. Sunita SP, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Saundarya.
Mr. Suhas Kaji.
Proud son of Mr. Tippeshappa P and Mrs. Gayatri MP, hailing from Chikkamangaluru, Karnataka. Congratulations, Suhas.
Miss Swati K.
Proud daughter of Mr. Irappa K and Mrs. Lakshmi, hailing from Koppal, Karnataka. Congratulations, Swati.
Mr. Tarun MP.
Proud son of Mr. Prasanna Kumar MN and Mrs. Nandini B, hailing from Hassan, Karnataka. Congratulations, Tara.
Miss Vinuka SM.
Proud daughter of Mr. Veeraya SM and Mrs. Vidya SM, hailing from Vijayanagara, Karnataka. Congratulations, Vinita.
Miss Yashaswini GB.
Proud daughter of Mr. Govi Swami and Mrs. Ratna, hailing from Vijayanagara, Karnataka. Congratulations, Yashaswini.
Miss Sangeeta V.
Proud daughter of Mr. V. Mallikarjuna and Mrs. V. Madhavi, hailing from Ballari, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sangeeta.
Mr. Abhishek Shivaputrappa Kumbar.
Proud son of Mr. Shivaputrappa and Mrs. Lalita, hailing from Belgavi, Karnataka. Congratulations, Abhishek.
Mr. Dhanush R.
Proud son of Mr. Rangappa K and Mrs. Lalitamma, hailing from Shimoga, Karnataka. Congratulations, Dhanush.
Mr. Ganesh N.
Proud son of Mr. Jamparna L and Mrs. Shivamala, hailing from Ballari, Karnataka. Congratulations, Ganesh.
Miss Kavya A.
Proud daughter of Mr. Avayadanda S.U. and Mrs. Veerama Kattepanavar, hailing from Banavasi, Uttara Kannada, Karnataka. Congratulations, Kavya.
Mr. Lingaraju I.P.
Proud son of Mr. Panchakshari I and Mrs. Roja I, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Lingraju.
Miss Pratiksha K.M.
Proud daughter of Mr. Yamanagowda K.M. and Mrs. Vijayakumari H, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Pratiksha.
Miss Rameshri.
Proud daughter of Mr. Manjunath Manglapur and Mrs. Pushpa Manglapur, hailing from Koppal, Karnataka. Congratulations, Ramya.
Mr. Sanjay P.
Proud son of Mr. Parashuram and Mrs. Sharada, hailing from Haveri, Karnataka. Congratulations, Sanjay.
Mr. Suhas Y.S.
Proud son of Mr. Srinivas Y.S. and Mrs. Rekha Srinivas, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Suhas.
Miss Usma Fauzi.
Proud daughter of Mr. Abdul Ghaffar and Mrs. Afroz Unisa, hailing from Davangere, Karnataka. Congratulations, Usma.
Mr. Abdul Qais Ahmad K. Due to unavoidable reason, he is not able to be present over here. So I request his grandfather to receive the certificate. Miss Vaishnavi V. Mudananam. And due to unavoidable reason, she is not able to be present over here. So I request her father to receive the certificate. Thank you, sir. On behalf of Bapuji Pharmacy College, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Finally, I conclude my words by blessing our students. The future belongs to those who believe in smart work. So dear students, be bold, be courageous in life, dream big and chase your dreams. Thank you.
Sir and Diya. Graduates, please rise.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Esteemed chief guest for today's graduation ceremony, Dr. L.D. Srinivas sir, Professor, Department of Pharmacology, JJM Medical College, Davangere, and Honorable Senate Member of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bengaluru. Respected guest of honor for today's graduation day, Dr. J.H. Mrutyunjaya sir, Professor and Head Department of Pharmachemistry, Bapuji Pharmacy College. Dedicated faculty members, non-teaching staff, proud and supportive parents, family members, friends, and most importantly, my dear graduates, the batch of Aurora. It's an honor to stand before you today to celebrate the first graduation ceremony of B.Pharm 2021 batch. This day marks not an end, but a truly an impactful new beginning. Dear graduates, you have reached the end of one journey and the very beginning of another journey. Your journey started when you entered this institute as eager students, and today you live as an accomplished pharmacy professionals. We recognize the effort, sacrifices and dedication you have shown. For these, you deserve a round of applause. I admit the pillars of support, the parents, family members and friends. This success belongs as much to you as it to the graduates. I acknowledge the success to our dedicated faculty members. Your commitment extends beyond the curriculum, imparting in these graduates a lifelong assurance to learning and professionalism. Dear graduates, you are entering a profession of immense responsibility and trust. As you know, the world is changing and the role of pharmacist is growing faster than ever. You are stepping into a profession that demands both intellect and empathy. you also act as a line of defense against the medication errors. You are crucial in research, developing the next generation of therapies. Remember that a single prescription can change a life. Your work is noble, anchored in ethics and driven by compassion. Carry your degree with pride and importantly carry your duties with integrity. As you step out, be a lifelong learner, go out and make a difference and be the change you want to see in healthcare system and make us proud. Finally, remember that the success is not just where you reach, but how you help others along the way. Congratulations once again, dear graduates, Aurora. The hassle was worth the hassle. Be bold, be courageous, be your best. We wish you health, happiness and every success in your promising careers. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. I request our chief guest, Dr. Srinivas LD sir, to deliver the graduation address.
Good morning, one and all. Respected principal, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, proud parents, and my dear graduating students. And it is a great honor and privilege to be invited as a chief guest on this remarkable occasion, the first graduation ceremony of such a prestigious pharmacy college in the city. Today is a day of pride, celebration, new beginnings. I stand here filled with the admiration of each one of you who has worked with dedication, discipline and determination to reach this milestone. Graduation is not just an academic achievement, it is a beginning of professional journey. From today, you step into the world not merely as students but as a qualified healthcare professionals. Individuals who will play a crucial role in ensuring safe and effective healthcare for society. The pharmacy profession holds immense responsibility, whether in hospitals, community pharmacies, pharmaceutical industries, research laboratories, regulatory bodies, or academics. Pharmacists are the bridge between science and patient care. You are trusted with human lives and your work demands accuracy, ethics, compassion and continuous learning. To the faculty and staff of this institution, I extend my heartfelt appreciation. You have not only taught the students the science of pharmacy, but you have shaped them into a committed, confident and ethical professionals. Your contributions are priceless. To the parents and families present here, today is your day as well. Your sacrifices, encouragement and support have made this moment possible. Please accept my deepest respect. And to the graduates, my dear young professionals, remember that success is not measured only by titles or salaries, but by the difference you make in people's lives. The world of healthcare is rapidly evolving and need for skilled pharmacists has never been greater. From cutting-edge drug research to personalized medicine and digital healthcare innovations, you have opportunities which are endless. As you begin your journey, believe in yourself, never stop learning, stay humble and ethical, serve with humanity and compassion, let integrity be your identity. Challenges will come, but they are stepping stones to greatness. Be fearless, be curious, and be innovative. Create a future where healthcare is safer, stronger and more accessible. Congratulations to the graduating class of Aurora. May you become a pride of your families, your institution and our nation. I wish each one of you a successful, meaningful and fulfilling career ahead. Thank you and once again heartily congratulations to all the graduates. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring thoughts.
It is time for the graduates to take their professional pledge. I request Ms. Pratibha G.S. ma'am to lead the graduates in taking the pharmacist oath. Audience, kindly keep your phones on silent.
And shall act as an integral part of healthcare team. I shall uphold the laws and standards governing my profession. I shall strive to perfect and enlarge my knowledge to contribute to the advancement of pharmacy and public health. I shall follow the system which I consider best for pharmaceutical care and counseling of patients. I shall hold endeavor to discover and manufacture drugs of quality to alleviate sufferings of humanity. I shall hold in confidence the knowledge gained about the patients in connection with my professional practice and never divulge unless compelled to do so by the law. I shall associate with organizations having their objectives for betterment of profession of pharmacy and make contribution to carry out the work of those organizations. While I continue to keep this oath unviolated, may it be granted to me to enjoy life and the practice of pharmacy respected by all at all times. Should I trespass and violate this oath, may the reverse be my lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Present here to the degree of Bachelor of Pharmacy, for which they have been declared as qualified.
Thank you, sir. Graduates, please take your seats.
I request Ms. Kavya A.U. and Ms. Bhavna M. to felicitate the president of today's event, Dr. G.L. Prabhushankar sir. I request Ms. Saida Firdaus to assist. Mr. Ramesh and Mr. Sachin to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. J.H. Mrityunjay sir. I request Ms. Rakshita to assist. To share the memories and reflections of the graduating class, I invite the valedictorian of Aurora.
ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೀವನವೆಂಬ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಪುಟ ಮುಚ್ಚುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದ ಪುಟ ನಾಳೆಯ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆಯಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾದಂತ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್ಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸಿದ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕನಸು ನನ್ಸಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕನಸು ನನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ದಿನ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ದಾಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ, ಈ ಖುಷಿ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಈ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಚಿರಕಾಲವಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ AP ಬಸವರಾಜಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀಡಿದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ರೂಪವಾದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ GL ಪ್ರಭುಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬರೀ ಬೋಧನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಬದುಕಿನ ಪಾಠ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಯಾನದ ಅತಿ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಭಾಗವಾದ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮನದಾಳದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ನನಸು ಮಾಡಲು ಬೆಂಬಲ ತೋರಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಶ್ಶಬ್ದದ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಒದ್ದಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಗೊಂದಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈ ತಲುಪಿರುವ ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಣ್ಣ ತ್ಯಾಗಗಳ ಫಲ. ಈ ಸಾಧನೆ ಬರೀ ನಮ್ದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೂಡ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಹೆಂಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅರ್ಜುನನಿಗೆ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆದೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದನ್ನ ಖುಷಿಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದುಃಖದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನೋವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಜೀವನದ ಪಾಠ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ 40 ವರ್ಷದ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕಲಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು, ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಜೀವನದ ಸತ್ಯತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಜರ್ನಿನ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕೋಣವಾ? COVID-19 ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀದೇನೆ PU ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ ನಾವು ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ ಬರೀ ರಾಜು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಹೊಸ ಊರು, ಹೊಸ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಹೊಸ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಆ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಒಬ್ರದೆ, ಅದು ಮುಜಾಮಿಲ್. ದಿನ ಕಳೀತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫೋಟೋ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಮ್ಮಿಗೆ 4 ರಿಂದ 5 ಥಿಯರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಪನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, 2 ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಮ್ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು HIP ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದೆ ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಆ ವೈವಾ. ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಸ್ಯೂಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಆ ಲೋಷನ್ಸ್, ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಮಲ್ಸನ್ಸ್, ಸಿರಪ್ಸ್, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ ಲೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಯಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ ಆ ದಿನಗಳು. ಬಯೋಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದೆ ಆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸೈಕಲ್, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಕ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಓದುವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ರೋಸಿಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಪೋಪ್ಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅಸ್ತಮಾ ಹೋಗಿ COPD ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಮ್ the most scariest part of formal life was result day. ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮಾಸ್ಯೂಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾಯ್ಸಿ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ನು KGF ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1, 2, 3 ತರ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳೇ ಕಾಲಜಿ, ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸಿ, ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮಕಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಪೀಶೀಸ್, ಜೀನಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಲೆನೋವು ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ ಬಾಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್, ಜೂರಿಸ್ಪ್ರುಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಠ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು 2ನೇ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಠ ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾರೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಇನ್ನ ಕೊನೆ ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ವರ್ಕ್, 150 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್, ನಾವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಫೈನಲ್ ಥೀಸಿಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಥೀಸಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಈ ಜರ್ನಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲಿಕೆಗೆ ಕೊನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆನ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸೋಣ. ಈ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದ ಸುಂದರ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ, ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅವರ್ B.Pharm. My fellow graduates, we have created history at Bapuji Pharmacy College. B.Pharm graduation ceremony. And I wanted to end this speech by this important information. Wherever you go, no matter which stage you are in, always remember nausea, vomitings are the adverse effect of every drug except antibiotics. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Miss Vinata.
4 years down the memory lane, they made countless memories to cherish forever, with lots of love, laughter and fun. Now, let us take a glimpse of those moments.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र उठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना मेरा था बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरे यार हूँ मैं, तेरे यार हूँ मैं।
I now invite Mr.
Good afternoon to one and all. I think it's a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed leader, Dr. Sri Shamnur Shivashankarappa sir, Honorary Secretary, Member of Legislative Assembly, Davangere South Constituency, Sri Shamnur Mallikarjun sir, Joint Secretary, Minister of Mines, Geology, Horticulture, Government of Karnataka, and Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun Madam, Governing Council Member and Member of Parliament, Davangere Constituency. Although they were unable to join us today due to the preoccupied commitments, their blessings and unwavering support have reached us in abundance. Thank you, Madam, and thank you, sirs. We are indeed fortunate to have our today's distinguished chief guest, Dr. L.D. Srinivas sir, Professor, Department of Pharmacology, JJ Medical College, and Honorable Senate Member of RJHS. Despite of his busy schedule, sir has taken the time to grace this occasion personally. Your presence adds significant meaning to this graduation day. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt appreciation goes to our esteemed director, Dr. A.P. Basalajappa sir, for his guidance and encouragement are truly invaluable to us. Thank you, sir. I also extend my sincere gratitude to our principal, Dr. G. M. Prabhushankar sir, for his unwavering support and for ensuring the seamless coordination of this event. Thank you, sir. I convey my special thanks to HODs of all department, that is Dr. J.H. Mrutyunjay sir, Dr. K.M. Manjunath sir, and Dr. A.M. Kripamidi sir for their invaluable contribution and support. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. I express my sincere gratitude to Director and Principal of Bapuji Academy of Management and Research for providing this beautiful auditorium with appropriate sound and lighting facility. Thank you, sir. The heartfelt thanks to my dear colleagues, especially senior teachers and non-teaching staff, for your valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement, which made this occasion memorable and success. I also convey my special thanks to all parents and family members for this witness of this beautiful occasion. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವಿವಿಧ ಮೂಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊರ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪಾಲಕರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to pride of today's occasion, the B Pharma Batch 2021 graduates Aurora. Your hard work, dedication and commitment have brought us to this memorable day of celebration. We wish you all the best of luck for your future. Last but least, I thank all distinguished invitees present here for accepting our invitation, the member of media for covering this beautiful event. I thank everyone, those who have supported directly, indirectly for this program. Thank you, Vanita.
Thank you, sir. I request the president of today's event, Dr. G.L. Prabhushankar sir, to dissolve the ceremony.
We dissolve this graduation ceremony.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem. Photography is not permitted during this time.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
This remarkable journey. Dear graduates, as you step into the world, may you carry these memories with pride and joy. We wish you happiness, growth and success in all your future endeavors. The graduation ceremony has officially concluded. The procession will now move back to the lobby in the reverse order. We request the audience to remain standing while the procession exits.
होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, होंगे कामयाब, होंगे कामयाब, होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे